Manipur joins the world in celebrating International Women's Day on I Am Generation Equality, realizing women's rights theme. Five of a family in Kerala get coronavirus. Total positive cases in India rise to 39. And Governor Dr. Najma Abdullah, Chief Minister Nongthong Birain, ministers and others extend greeting on the joyous occasion of Yaosang. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Lighting Monica with the latest news updates. All Manipur Working Journalists Union Namju also held International Women's Day at Manipur Press Club today. Women journalists of the state were also felicitated on the occasion. Speaking at the event, Information, Public and Relations Minister Thongam Biswajit urged the need for equality of both men and women to make a developed society. He asserted that a positive environment will be created only when there is positive competition between men and women. Mentioning the huge role of women in administration, Minister Biswajit lauded the increase of women journalists in the state.
As much as possible, at Manipur, the discrimination ki chance amna handai and comparatively across the country. Akoi Manipur the nupi singi role, makuna lorok pa nu pana lobang am the role, nupi na lokiba, ngasi bau the river role, put a sing che, koi sing tangai, or the women get participation in any field kudimakta. Akoi Manipur the yamna high when a lay have a English in using Yahweh Hadana, I made the argument among the Panga having a TC directness Hakini, recorders Hakini, Punamakta, Sloanamak witness, or even in a media sectors is a contribution Nupigi, Mayama Tolpache, Simon Manipur, say, which are own bala a Karamba own but a bagi Michael on the poor air habitilla air have say, she's out Tokna Hybida, Akoi Hyman Matok Wapam, they have done any Tamzani Wapam deal.
Attending the program, Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham appealed to respect women instead of celebrating Women's Day. He also termed those who think women as inferior than men as fools. Minister Radhesham further urged to show respect and treat women with equality all the time.
Lay people bed step out of much Amasuki roles in Nupina Hata people. Why not Nupana Tepaka Nupana Layan Nupana Buke Putoke? Let's exchange the role. Sometimes why not Hapta Amada Akoi Nupas in the middle of the Sack Why not? Let us exchange the roles just to show that we love, we respect. So I must start from myself.
Ministry of Textiles, Office of the Development Commissioner for Handlooms, Weavers Service Center in Imphal also observed International Women's Day celebration today. The event was held on the theme to eliminate discrimination against women at Lamyan Basang Lane in Palace Compound. Speaking at the event, Textiles Minister Thongam Biswajit urged police personnel not to take advantage of the women vendors who are earning daily wages in the market. He asserted that there will be equity and development in the society only when people treat each other with equal respect and dignity. Minister Biswajit asserted that although women were discriminated and treated lowly in the earlier days, they are now being treated on an equal basis with men with the coming of democracy. He maintained that various horrid practices such as denying education to a girl child, dowry system and sati system has been abolished, stating that various welfare schemes for women has been implemented by Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led NDA government in the last 2 to 3 years. Minister Biswajit urged women folks to obtain full benefits of the schemes. He mentioned that the state government has been provided government jobs to the polo players of the state as an acknowledgement for their significant roles in uplifting and promoting the state's indigenous polo game. Pahchan card and mudra loans were also distributed to women weavers at the event. Weavers who bag national awards in weaving were also felicitated on the occasion.
As a police color no mapa the Pasha Javne. chap chane thui adune ba thui de gaino da la ga balupa tara ki kun gi cheng ani kilo ani to gi ki to bu injang ko bi bam khair ga mayum da chane puri ba mi jing du karam ba mi no ba ai wor di madu di hana ne suspend to ga ni lang na ga da bani habje sine torture to bang sai ko yamana habi gi bu see immediately we stop it we should stop it I appeal to urgeni maji pote appeal to urgeni those aduga police me amak khaki sele aduga traffic ke le phuna mak se sina mangthok pi kanu chendan bi kanu ha bi ma appeal to urgeni ba ibiu simdi horen saugen police na ai bhage bhajan bhuge je purjan
Kanglei Imalub Kil also held International Women's Day on the theme I Am Generation Equality, Realizing Women's Rights at Manipur Press Club today. Speaking at the event, Kil President R.K. Sanahanbi said domestic violence and rape cases are still prevalent despite the saying that men and women are equal. She lamented over the failure to acknowledge the contribution of women even though leaders of the government expressed that women are being respected.
Laingat pai biri basinda mama ama wena ama di nupi ama wena hajaning ba thamjaning ba di iramdam kalai pa se ngasigi asigumba chothara ba adak hendok tan nupi bu tamthino opi ba che thingnana ba akan ba phirep lohon janingi aduga loinana hairi ba asigumba tamthira ba miot mine asidagi nupi chingbu thawang na thambina ba ngasigi pari ba laingang na chu Tambibagi mathoga do tai haiba wapam jima kanglei maluki maige degi thamjaningi.
District Administration Thobal also held International Women's Day celebration at DC Complex, Thobal Counting Hall in Thobal District today. Thobal DC SP ADM attended the event. 1 month-long Poshan Pakwada was also launched on the occasion. Ima Helping Hand Trust held International Women's Day celebrations at its office in Wahingbam Lekai today. Trust Chairman Ilangbam Ranjita presented gifts to widows and women vendors of Khairamban Market on the occasion.
I right to do in a Mapamzana, Maramzana, Sizinarabamatanda, Kanagumasina, Koibunam Taba, Natragana, Nam take to Naikoibunamzanam taken by Havasi or talked about it. A point I could right Pio, Hanapunta, the law, but Kanana could right Pido, get Jamani, Nubasu Mamana Pole, a Koisu Nupi because Imana Pole Eva. Pola got Tibon Balsi, a quick Kondara, I quit is Hagi House here, Maramzana, Mapamzana, Sizinagami, Kanantanamas later, I could have people, Bibams talk there, I do a right manade, Amashu, Mane, Hibagi, gender discrimination. Tambasu Yaroi, Aduga Hosik, playing Bill Hosik team, Masi Zamaga, Darak Suba, Matamasida, I could get Tim is for equal health.
Manipur Baptist Convention, MBC Women Department and MBC Center Church Impal also jointly organized MBC International Women's Day today. General Secretary of Manipur Baptist Convention, Reverend Dr. W. Kongar, Women's Secretary Lingboy Kipgen and church leaders attended the event held at MBC Church Center Impal, Chingmerong. A Women's Got Talent choreography competition was also held during the event. Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, DESAM, also held International Women's Day celebrations on I Am Generation Equality, Realizing Women's Rights at its office in Kwakitel today. IMC Watch Number 12 Corporator P. Premila Vasudev President R.K. Tharaksana, proprietor of Maira Foods, H. Subra, and many people attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, the DESAM President N. Edison said, though International Women's Day celebration were unpopular among people in previous years, now people are celebrating it by acknowledging its purpose. He asserted that women of the state should also contribute in decision-making as they took major roles in various critical issues of the state. N. Edison also expressed the need to break looking down upon women by another woman. Federation of Obstetrics and Gynecological Society of India, along with Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology, Department of Pathology, GENIMS, and Department of Gynecology and Manipur Oncology Society organized a medical camp at 9th IRB camp in Kumalam Park in relation to International Women's Day celebration today. More than 50 personnel of 9th Indian Reserve Battalion were checked up and free medications were also distributed during the camp. Uripok MLA cum Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar inaugurated a newly constructed Mera Sanglen of Uripok Bachaspati and Sinam Lekai today. Attendees paid floral tributes to late women leaders of the localities on the occasion of International Women's Day. Speaking at the event, Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar appreciated women folks of the state for their immense contribution in the society. Famed theatre personality Nabba Warepa said it is high time for artists to unite and take up necessary measures to preserve art and culture of the state, which is on the verge of extinction due to allocation of meager budget to Art and Culture Department for the present year. Speaking to media in a press meet held at Iboyama Sumang Lila Sanglen in Palace Compound today, Nabba Warepa said it is no time for artists to stay satisfied with the works they are doing. He also notified that a public meeting will be held at Iboyama Sumang Lila Sanglen at 10 a.m. on March 17. Nabba Warepa appealed every artist of the state to attend the meeting without fail and express their opinions.
Pungyaiba, Isai Sakpa, Jagoi Saba, Wari Liba, Larik Thiba, Hongjong Parba, Layekpa, Kabi, Tongan ba leibiriba mayam singaduna magi section ado thado piraga Manipuri culture se kandaba yade aduna aigi suma se thado pa yadraba tangai phadraba ithau dangi haina khanbiraga tang tara tara ta koina kaujagadoriba apunba mifam Madhuda lengbiraga Manipuri culture kalaudragadi hayeng Manipuri culture di adumap una adum extinct tawragani Manipur gi culture gi lamda kai thopiriba shenpa maje culture gi thabak tawnanaba gi pot amatta yaude aduna artist mayamna chenjeruba chongjeruba pot khudi mase loina mami samagani.
Speaking at the press meet, Lifetime Secretary of Manipur State Sumang Lila Council, Saugrakpam Hemanta, lamented that not much has been done to promote the art and culture of the state. He termed failure of Chairman of Manipur State Kala Academy, cum Governor Dr. Najma Haptullah to attend the annual Manipur State Kala Academy Award distribution ceremony as unfortunate.
Hiram Kudimakta Kala Taujariba Zagoi da Isaida Pungda Layekpada Adagidi Sahita Gimaramda Tongan ba stream Kayada Ewat Pibagi Ewatom Claim Madugi Ewato Pangdriba Mido eminent artist Hive Yate Madu Sai Kumza Kudingi Governor Pitopi or Chief Minister Yoe but Kumsidi Arena Culture Minister to Yaw to Baiwani Culture and eventing Culture Function Kayam the Lebaki leaders in the Bitre to be a Sum Kale Achumba Mirai ko mayam dunane bangasi budget kat to isi aduna di culture si Manipur lehening drabra haibagi wakalo lam lai lehening oi the boy targeti no koi na pining the kari maram gi pai biri no mase koi privatization to biro koi to jarage.
Governor Dr. Najma Haptullah extended greetings to the people of the state on the joyous occasion of Yaosang. The governor in her message mentioned that Yaosang has now become a sports movement participated by irrespective of age and gender. She further wished to make the state a better and peaceful place where mutual respect and love prevails among all the communities. Chief Minister Nongthombam Birain also extended greetings to the people of the state on the occasion of Yaosang. In his message, Nongthombam Birain said Yaosang, being one of the biggest festivals of the Meitei community, is celebrated with playing of colors, Thabal Chongba and cultural performances. Mentioning that the festival has evolved into an occasion for promoting sports and social participation over the years, he wished for the festival to bring social harmony in the state. Works Minister Thongam Beswajit greeted the people of the state on the happy and auspicious occasion of Yaosang. In his message, Minister Beswajit said the Color Festival is one of the most important festivals. He further appealed and wished for the festival to bring peace, prosperity, progress, and communal harmony with the coming of the festival. Forest and Environment Minister Thongnauzam Shyam Kumar greeted the people of the state on the joyous occasion of Yaosang. He wished for unity and communal harmony with the coming of the 5-day festival. President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, M. Okendro, CLP leader O. Ibobi, and former Deputy Chief Minister Kam Nungba MLA Gai Khangam greeted the people of the state on the occasion of Yaosang. First IRB personnel has extended food and clothing items to First IRB rifleman Yanglem Ibomcha from Chingamakha Yanglem Lekai today. Ibomcha lost his vision due to injuries sustained in a mine bomb explosion, which occurred near a First IRB camp at Itham Moirangpurel Island in Manipur in Imphal East on 1999. Ibomcha has 4 siblings, out of which 3 are differently abled. Acting on a news published in media, the IRB personnel from different posts visited Ibomcha's family to tend to their needs. Now it's time for a small commercial break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. 5 of a family in Kerala have been tested positive for COVID-19, taking the total number of infected people in the country to 39. The coronavirus has spread to over 103 nations and more than 3,660 people lost their lives due to the virus, and lakhs of people have been infected by the virus. More than 3,000 people died in China and is still spreading. The infected people returned from Italy, and 3 of them are family members and the other 2 are relatives. The patients are being kept at a hospital. On the other hand, 4 people died and some are being crumbled down under the building at a quarantine center of COVID-19 in China. 2,000 face mask, hand sanitizer, arsenic albumin 30 and 2,000 paracetamol tablet strips were distributed to the people of Mongsangai and Konjing Lekai today as a preventive measure to combat coronavirus. The items, sponsored by proprietor of Eastern Border Arms, A.K. Bomcha, were distributed at Pilo Library Complex, Mongsangai, Mayai Lekai. It may be mentioned that coronavirus, which started spreading from Wuhan city in China, has affected more than 103,000 people, and 3,500 people has been succumbed across the globe.
Mongsangai mudi Konjing Lekai gi praja singda ithokchariba mask, paracetamol tablet, sanitizer, immune booster mayamasi aina tawjaribasi Mongsangai da leriba ipung khudimakta hojing matam da sandoroliba laina asidagi kitadu oisu athoksi haibi wakhangi loina tawjabani tasengna aina tawjaribasi lenga ki kano yaudragasu akoi isa isana lekai lekai gi mi singna tawdabe abadaba amani khallakanda lenga ngaidana tawminasi masina mipung khudimakpu haksang phana leinaba amadi laina asidagi kitadu ngaktopinaba haiduna aina tawjabani aina paisa paire aina nungaire natraga aina adu oire aina engineer ore doctor ore haiduna ithanda hingbe ade manage social beings akoi mipung khudimak haksang phaba darkar oi maram aduna aina ngasi tawjarisi ai thanda hingbe adamna mayang goina pulap hingminnabi wakhan aina tawjabani.
National Vice President of Lok Janashakti Party LJP cum Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Sham accorded warm welcome to newly joined 34 members of the party at his residence in Lilong Chajing, Myrin Khong today. Speaking at the event, Minister Sham said with gain of trust from people, candidates of the party will contest general election in the upcoming general election. He asserted that people with no intention to help those in need can never enter politics. He added, changes can be brought into society only after developmental projects are being taken up sincerely by people's representatives. Highlighting the changes brought in Langthabal in the last 2 to 3 years, Minister Karam Sham is sure to take up more developmental projects in the future.
Khara aruba mayam ama leitabadi nati adubu ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯍꯨꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯒꯤ ꯍꯛ ꯃꯟꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯒꯤ ꯍꯛ ꯐꯪꯍꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯦꯞꯀꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯗ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯈꯔꯗꯣ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯀꯥꯎꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯍꯨꯠꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯏꯐꯅꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯗꯣ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯆꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯆꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡꯗ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗꯨꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯣꯏ.
Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol, CADA, organized an academic awareness on intoxicant drugs and its effect on students at Pobokcho High School and Pobokcho Government High School in Imphal West District today as a part of their anti-drug drive. Speaking at the event, CADA Vice President Andoran stressed on the need to know the side effects of intoxicant drugs. He appealed students to stay away from intoxicants and stay fit and healthy. NCD Cell of Community Health Service, Wangoi, along with Wangoi Police Station, held one-day medical camp cum awareness program on coronavirus at Wangoi Police Station today. Around 200 individuals were checked up at the event. Ahal Darain Thoi Apokpa Marub Haunasang kicked off two-day 90th Lamda Thabung lining meet at Apokpa Marub Haunasang in Laishram Khun in Hailakandi district, Assam today. Girish Chandra, son of Ningthem Tikendra Dhaja, who accorded lining Han title to Nauria Pulo, launched the event. Speaking on the occasion, General Secretary of Kangla Pathau Humphu Mari, Manipur, Ingoba Mangang urged the people to extend their support and cooperation in reviving the state's ancient script and culture. He called upon everyone to stay in unity to solve the misunderstandings. Many people from Manipur, Meghalaya and Tripura attended the event. Proprietor of QMX City Center, Athokpam Gope, has opened the state's first bowling center named Athokpam Bowling Center in the 6th floor of the center at Kagwa today. Speaking on the occasion, Athokpam Gope said the center aimed to serve as a recreational center for the youths to spend their quality time and prevent further drug abuse and addiction among them. He asserted that the center is being opened to individuals of all ages. Rajya Sabha MP K. Bhavananda inaugurated a recreation park at Sagolban Moirang Leirak, Nepra Menjor Leirak today. Speaking at the event organized by Young Social Service Union Sagolband, MP K. Bhavananda says the recreation park, which also provides open gym facilities, will be able to provide a relaxation area for the senior citizens. It may be mentioned that the recreation park was constructed under Local Area Development Fund of MP K. Bhavananda. Now the sports news. Information and Public Relations Minister Thongam Biswajit inaugurated 5-day 10th sports meet of All Manipur Working Journalist Union AMJU at Manipur Press Club today. Print and electronic media firms under the union will compete in various sports events during the sports meet. Education Minister Thokchom Radesham led AMJU members in a torch rally and fetched the sacred fire from historic Kangla till Manipur Press Club in Mijokul, and Minister Biswajit lighted flames and unfurled the AMJU flag to mark the opening of the sports meet. Kanglei Park Students Association kicked off 6th-day 9th Kanglei Mega Sports Festival 2020 at Polo Ground in Imphal today. Speaking at the inaugural event, Kairao MLA Laurimbam Rameshwar appealed people to promote local products and scale down the use of imported products during Yaosang Festival celebrations. Traditional sports items like Kang, Thangta, Chaibi and many other sports events will be held during the Mega Sports Festival. Traditional dance and song performances enthralled public, and leaders of various civil society organizations attended the inaugural event.
ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯁꯥ ꯁꯥꯖꯕ ꯌꯣꯟꯐꯝꯗ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯐꯤꯔꯣꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯦꯛꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯣꯟꯐꯝꯗ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯖꯃꯛꯇ ꯄꯤꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯂꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯏꯁꯥꯅ ꯁꯥꯖꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯐꯪꯁꯟꯗ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯖ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯤꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯐꯤꯔꯣꯜꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯏꯀꯣꯅꯣꯃꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯄꯗ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ.
Third edition of Queer Games 2020 Notice 3.0 was launched at RT Football Turf Changangai near airport. Former Miss Manipur Reina Laimayum also led people in a torch rally entitled Solidarity Walk, held as a part of International Women's Day. A transgender football team with an aim to promote and uplift transgender was also launched on the occasion. K-pop dancers of the state also performed at the event. Manipur Amway Business Organization held a marathon event named XS Run 2020 this morning. The event promoting the company's energy drink XS Energy was flagged off from Maitram till Kwakaithel Tidim ground. Around 400 Amway business agents took part in the event. Bino Devi Marathon Organizing Committee in a press release informed that the 17th Bino Devi Marathon will be flagged off from Taubal Mela ground at 8 a.m. on March 13. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Manipur joins the world in celebrating International Women's Day on I Am Generation Equality, Realizing Women's Rights theme. Five of a family in Kerala get coronavirus. Total positive cases in India rise to 39. And Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah, Chief Minister Nongthong Birain, ministers and others extend greeting on the joyous occasion of Yausam.